whole time. It wasn't.
Oh! And I'm back with the crew. It feels good. My hip could do better, but it's not bad. I'm just excited to be out here. Can't wait. Looked like Chino had a bite already. Chino, was that a bite? Yeah. I saw that, dude. That was a big bite. It was a huge bite, but I'm excited. Let's get this done. I got a pink swim bait, and then I'm gonna throw the 10-inch swim bait. I'll show you how that's rigged up and how I made that, and hopefully when the sun comes out more. But it's double weedless, and yeah, we'll talk more about other things coming up and projects. And we're close to the 1,000 subscribers, so if you like this video, then like the video, press the subscribe button, help us get to 1,000. And once we get there, we're gonna do a raffle, and whoever wins is gonna come out fishing with the masturbator. Chino trying his holes again. The hole master. I go straight to swim bait. Trying pink. For some reason I feel like this is gonna kill it. And then throwing this big bad boy, 10-inch swim bait with a special setup rig. Hopefully you see it. Double weedless when the conditions are better.
Chino just casted. He was the first one in the water. He has a shrimp fly?
Squid.
It's a squid, straight squid. Straight squid, hook with weight, and a piece of squid. I have a little Shimano.
Chino, was that a bite?
Shimano rod with a little white grub.
I know I didn't grab though. I was waiting for the second.
I think it's an ounce.
I'm excited.
Ounce jig head.
I got it.
And then my other rig, so you already know, it's just some shrimp flies. I am using the white and red color. I'll slap on some squid on it and cast out. And then my brother is using a pink swim bait, his own swim baits, of course. But yeah, thanks everybody for being patient and understanding. We just haven't been able to come out here because the tides have been pretty freaking crazy. And we'll see how we do.
What's that, huh? I totally missed recording, and Chino over here's not recording either, but he was stuck there for like 2 minutes. I got the rope ready just in case.
You guys don't go that way.
Yeah, don't go that way. You see how shiny it is and slippery? You can't see over there, but that's it. That's all the standing room you have. Everything for a fish. Chino with bites. Chino with some bites. I'm still snagged, but Chino got some bites. Oh, yep.
Take it. They probably took it.
No, one more. Give it a little bit. Yeah, they're still going for it. They're still going for it.
They're going at it.
Yeah. Straight black. Nothing can go wrong with a straight black swim bait. Was that a bite? I guess something can go wrong with the straight black swim bait.
So I broke off
And since I broke off, I'm gonna retie here another swim bait. I'm gonna explain to you our little bet that we got going on for the whole year between me, Chino, and Jose. Whoever catches, it's a 3-category bet. Whoever catches the first lingcod of the year wins category 1. Whoever catches the biggest lingcod of the year, it's category 2. And whoever catches the most fish out of the year, it's category 3. Now you have to win 2 out of the 3 to win the whole the bet, and the winner gets a reel of his choice, paid by the both other losers. Now you have to catch a fish, you have to measure it, and if you're gonna release it, you can release it, but you have to catch it, land it, and measure it. So, like if my brother catches it, measures it, but then drops it, that still technically counts.
Did you put the pink one or the red one?
We put the pink one.
Huh?
The pink one. It's no good right now.
Why?
The sun's not out.
The sun's out.
But over there, but right here it's not.
Yeah, you didn't put the pink one or the red one.
Anyways, so that's what we got going on.
Watch out.
Going on right now, and since he's on that rock, he doesn't want to come over here. He just threw me his whole setup so I can change it. Ain't that another next level lazy?
I've never seen that before.
I never seen that before. That's a new lazy.
Yeah.
Just here. Stop. He was recording and he got it.
What do you want?
Either the pink one or the red one. The one with the hairs.
Next level lazy.
Whole bunch of bites though.
Alright, I'll rig up and let you guys know how it goes. Actually, you know what? Comment down below, who do you think is going to win between me, who catches the biggest ling, you know, remember that 32-inch ling, Chino, who catches pretty good fish, or Jose, who drops them all. Comment down below, who do you predict is going to win this bet? On the pink swim bait.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Jose's on. Let's see what he is. Let's see what it is. Could be a small blue. Who knows? It's kind of fighting pretty good for it to be just a small blue. Damn, dude. Bring it up already. What is it?
Anxiety.
For real? Not even anxiety. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What is that? You guys see that?
Oh, nice. It's like a crab.
Oh, what? It's a lingcod. All right, for the bet, the lingcod has to be 22 inches for him to count as him having the first lingcod of the year. But I will give him this. That is his first fish of the year, and for it to be a lingcod is pretty cool. Yeah. But if he wants it to count towards the challenge, it has to measure 22 inches.
Don't rip it.
And if it's not 22 inches, he does not win first lingcod of the year. But he does get a point for having a fish. So Jose caught that on an underspin with a pink swim bait that I made, a 3.8-inch swim bait.
But I know I kind of.
Hey, show him up. Oh, or not. There he goes. Bye-bye. On the pink swim bait.
What's that? Oh shit, drop, it's a big one. Maybe you might need to agarrar los guantes, güey.
Oh,
I'm recording. I'm recording.
Oh, no, it's not that big.
Oh.
Actually, no.
We'll see.
No, it was like spinning, you know, to make it like super heavy.
Let me see. That's a little. You want the guantes for that?
You need the glove?
You need gloves?
For that huge monster?
Yeah.
Hey, it was big. It felt big, fuckers, alright?
Is that
And
what
before
they tell
you,
you? Is that what
is that what they tell you, that it felt big? Before anybody confuses, that's a kelp greenling, not a baby ling.
Hey, we corrected ourselves, did we not?
I kept saying the whole time it wasn't a
Did we not correct ourselves? So here's a baby ling, a male baby ling.
That's a kelp!
That's a
Baby kelp!
It's a ling, I think. Baby ling?
it fall, and then yeah, and then let's.
Yeah, it's a baby ling.
You gotta give it a
Come this way. Didn't we say it had to land? Right now, right now, right now. Oh. Nice.
Hey, sorry, Ling, put you all through all that. Catch and release.
Catch and release. Okay. At least a gopher. I want to keep her. That's the rig I'm using now. Double swim bait. They're a little close to each other, but it's all right. Princess over there is.
Princess, don't fall.
Yeah, please don't fall. Back to on his slippery rock. Chino's grubbing away. Got munchies, man. They will get you.
When they hit, they hit.
It's about that time. It's about that time. Not time to go, but time to use this bad boy. 10-inch swim bait. Things like 12-inch beast hook with a swivel. As you see, connects to a swivel, and then that swivel has a crimp on it, and that crimp is connected to a hook. It's like a big worm hook, and I don't have it all the way down. I just have like the loop on it and tag and like put it in the swim bait, and that way it's like a double big weedless rig. And then if they bite off the tail but they're hooked onto this, they're not going to get away because of the swivel. So let's hope that it works. Let's hope that there's a ling cod out there. Let me know if you guys would be interested in throwing one of these. It has like blue, red, it has all types of sparkles on there, but let's get it out there. Oh, yeah. You have to be quick because right there I can get stuck real quick. Yeah, that's what you didn't want.
Oh no!
Oh, it's in the kelp. Damn it. Only brought one. No! Oh, yes. I got it. That's cool. It's cool. I got it back. That was just a bad cast. This is for like Fort Bragg type of stuff, way out there, you know, where the best spots are like right up close. I'm trying to, but it's just a lot of weight, yeah. Here, lingy, 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 lingy. Come get this 10-inch swim bait. I might need a different rod to throw this big boy. What rods do you guys recommend throwing a swim bait this big? Alright, it might be this last cast with this 10-inch swim bait. I don't want to lose it. And this is probably not the best conditions to throw it in.
Nice. Fish on for Chino.
Chino got a fish on. Huge kelp greenling. Oh my god, dude, that's big.
That is a massive kelp greenling right there. Holy cow. Look at that. Dude, that's a freaking... Dude, that is... Dude.
Look at that.
That is no joke.
That's a baby ling.
Holy cow, that thing's massive. Let's measure that bad boy.
Yeah, 16 and a half, I would say.
16.5-inch kelp greenling.
Could have been 20. Could have been 17. That's mine.
Where you guys at? Oh wait, you guys are.
Well, update, me and Jose switched. He caught my SD card got full and his GoPro got frozen, but he caught a big old black on a chatterbait, and I had a bite earlier on a white grub, so we're doing that here. And Chino just caught a perch. Hopefully he got it on the GoPro, and I'll show you. Nice, nice little perch. Woo. The fellas ain't here. Nice. Oh, but let me try to get this in. Hell yeah. Look at that perch. Who needs Ralph and Jose when you're just a natural master baiter? Look at that. While the fellas are over there exploring, I'm over here by myself. Got this nice chunky mojarra. Look at that. Woo! Woo! Damn, I still can't believe how chunky that is, man. That's almost as big as the kelp over here. That's a chunky one too, dude.
Not as big as last time, but
Still chunky. Check out
oh damn!
check out how chunky it is, dude. God damn.
So far.
Come on. Oh, another kelp greenling. Oh man, I'm on fire today, fellas. Woo! That was just a yell to let these guys know that I caught another fish. Hopefully they heard me, I'm not sure. But damn, look at that. Another kelp. Look at that, fellas. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. I like how you guys just came and swooped on my spot. That was awesome.
Well, you were taking a smoke break.
I was going to take a smoke break right here.
Yeah, Rafa just came and took over. I'll move right now. I gotta switch the bait anyways.
Jose over here talking like he didn't do it either. Nah, I don't care. I'm tired of catching all these fish, you know? I don't... It's hard work, man.
Bite, guys. Fish on, I think. Yep, fish on. Yep, fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Kelp greenling. Kelp greenling. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck. Nope. Oh, come on. There we go. On the squid. Another kelp greenling. That yellowish pattern, I believe this is a female. I'm trying not to fall. Yeah, baby.
That's gonna be it for today. Well, we had a good day. They had a better day. The score right now is 4-4-1. So those who voted for me, who's gonna win this, don't lose faith, because I catch big fish. I don't catch the most, I will catch big fish. Stay tuned for next video. Hopefully we'll go somewhere even better and we'll catch monsters for you guys. Stay tuned. Get hip surgery, they said. You'll feel better, they said. Why did we come to this spot? Woo!
Because the Dig Daddy won't.
Because the Dig Daddy won't.